Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. This is Aftab, your computer teacher, and welcome to yet another video on the computers. So we are learning Standard 7th, Chapter number 2, Introduction to Word Process. So this is part 3. So let's start with the lesson. Today we are going to learn about navigating a document, means how to navigate your Word document. Then we will learn about how to edit your document. Then we will learn about how to do the formatting of the text you have typed in your document, and then we will see how to print your document. So let's start with the part first, navigating a document. So navigation is an important function of the word processing software. Basically, navigation happens, or navigation completes with the help of your कीबोर्ड. कीबोर्ड के ज़रिए आप नेविगेशन आपके वर्ड डॉक्यूमेंट का जो भी कर्सर है, जो भी पॉइंट्स है, जो भी पेजेस है, इसको आप हैंडल कर सकते हो, इसको कंट्रोल कर सकते हो, इसको ऑपरेट कर सकते हो. सो दैट्स वाई फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू हैव टू लर्न अबाउट द कीबोर्ड्स. सो दिस इज द स्टैंडर्ड कीबोर्ड यू आर सीइंग ऑन योर स्क्रीन. ये जो है आपका स्टैंडर्ड कीबोर्ड है जो आपको यूजुअली यूज़ करने में आता है. So there are different types of key sets on the keyboard. For example, there are numeric keys, there are function keys, there are control keys, there are special keys, then we have a number keypad, then we have also the arrow keys, then again there are two control keys, right? And then we have the alphabetic keys. So these are different types of key sets of a कीबोर्ड. ये अलग अलग टाइप के की सेट्स है आपके कीबोर्ड के ऊपर. इसका इन सारे की सेट्स का अलग अलग फंक्शन है, राइट? सो बेसिकली you will be using alphabetic keys and arrow keys and special keys. Also you will use number keys to in order when you will be typing a text in the word processing software. So first of all, let's say about this arrow keys. Arrow keys usually helps you to navigate. आपको आपके कर्सर को आगे पीछे वर्ड्स के बीच में ले जाने के लिए एरो कीज का ऊपर यूज होता है. बेसिकली दे आर टू द राइट, लेफ्ट, अप एंड डाउन. यू कैन नेविगेट. आपको सेंटेंसेस में से, वर्ड्स में से नेविगेट करने के लिए एरो कीज का इस्तेमाल होता है. देन वी हैव दिस पेज अप एंड पेज डाउन कीज, राइट? दीज आर दी स्पेशल कीज. मतलब आपके पास 4 पेज का डॉक्यूमेंट है और आपको जो है वो फर्स्ट पेज पे जाना है, सेकंड पेज पे जाना है. सो यू कैन नेविगेट थ्रू द पेजेस विद द हेल्प ऑफ पेज अप एंड पेज डाउन बटन्स, पेज डाउन कीज. देन वी हैव हियर डिलीट की टू डिलीट द टेक्स्ट. देन वी हैव इंसर्ट की. देन वी हैव ऑल्सो एंड की जो आपको सेंटेंस के एंड में लेके जाता है आपके कर्सर को. देन वी हैव द होम की जो आपके सेंटेंस के होम पे, मतलब बिगिनिंग पे, शुरुआत में लेके जाता है. देन वी हैव द alphabetic keys where we have the A to Z letters printed over here, right? So these are some of the navigating keys, and these keys you will be using to navigate through your document. All right, so let's move ahead. Editing a document. Editing a document means inserting, selecting, deleting, moving or copying the text, etc. Word processor have simple editing process, so one does not require and retyping. So let's see one by one about how to edit your document. Let's see first of all how to insert the text in the document. So one can insert the text in the document anywhere by clicking mouse pointer, as by default Word is in insert mode. Means you can directly just click on the tab or the in the blank space, in the white space of the Word document to insert the text. As you can see that the text is already inserted here. So if I want to insert the same text again, so I'll just put the mouse pointer over here. I will just click the in a blank space and I will type my text. Now how to select the text. Sometimes we want to make changes in a sentence or a paragraph instead of a word or character. कभी कभी हम जो है किसी एक वर्ड या लेटर को चेंज करने के बजाय हम पूरे एंटायर पैराग्राफ को चेंज करना चाहते हैं, उसको एडिट करना चाहते हैं. So in that case we have to know how to select the text. So first of all we have to put the mouse pointer at the point from where you want to select the text. So यहाँ पे आपने पहले समझ लीजिए कि आपको ये टेक्स्ट को सिलेक्ट करना है पूरे एंटायर पैराग्राफ को. So you will start with the first letter of this text from where, जहाँ से आपको शुरू करना है, and then hold it with the help of the mouse key and then hold it down to right and drag the mouse pointer through the text you want to select. For example, I want to select the text till these 1500s. So I'm just selecting this text from here and I'm leaving it. I'm leaving the mouse. So here this is how you can select the text. So the selection can be identified as the highlighted text. So ये जो highlighted gray area है, that is what the selected text. Next, how to delete the text. It is very easy to delete the text from the Word document. To erase the block of a text or a sentence from the document, select the text and then press delete key. As I have told you about the delete key from the keyboard, from the navigation, जैसे मैंने आपको बताया था कुछ देर पहले delete key के बारे में. In the same way, if you don't want this text in the document, you can just select the text first of all and then hit the delete key like this one. So I have deleted the text. Now suppose you have deleted the text mistakenly. अगर समझ लीजिए आपने गलती से कोई टेक्स्ट को डिलीट किया है, या फिर आपके वर्ड जब भी आप टाइप कर रहे हो या फिर एडिट कर रहे हो, if you find out that you have done some mistakes, right? अगर आपको गलती से कुछ चीज़ें हो गई तो there is a easy command to correct your mistakes, that is undo and redo. I'll type down here undo, redo. So simply you can just move the mouse pointer to the top bar over here and you can see that undo typing. When I will click on this, whatever last edited text I have done, whatever last editing I have done will be corrected. For example, I have deleted this text just few seconds before. I am using the undo key, undo option over here. So it is actually it is getting back. मैं इसको वापस टेक्स्ट को ला सकता हूँ. रीडू करेंगे तो वापस जो टेक्स्ट चला जाएगा, undo करेंगे तो वापस आ जाएगा. ठीक है. So undo and redo are the important commands if you want to correct your mistakes from the Word document. Now let's see how to replace the text. You can just simply replace the text. For example, this last line, if you don't want this line, you just selected this line and you can just start typing the text. If you want to replace, अगर आपको इस line की जगह कोई और line add करना है तो आप बस इस line को select कर दीजिए and then you can just start writing. It means the selected line will be deleted and you can type the correct lines. Now let's see how to copy and move the text. Copying and moving is one of the important part of typing and editing in the word processing software. Alright, so one can use copy and paste command to make the duplicate or use cut paste command to move the text from one place to other. For that, select text and use above commands. So first of all, for example, you want to copy this first line. You want to copy this first line. You will just select the text first of all and then you will use Ctrl plus C. क्या यूज करेंगे आप यूज करेंगे Ctrl plus C. ये जो कंट्रोल की है, कंट्रोल की को आप प्रेस करेंगे, राइट. कॉपी करने के लिए, मतलब आपको इस टेक्स्ट को और एक कई जगह पे सेम टेक्स्ट को यहाँ से बिना हिलाए हुए, यहाँ से बिना कट किए हुए आपको मूव करना है। तो मैंने इसको Ctrl+C किया एंड देन यहाँ पे इसको Ctrl+V करना है। व्हाट विल बी द नेक्स्ट स्टेप, यू हैव टू डू Ctrl+V, राइट। सो यू जस्ट पेस्ट इट ओवर हियर। Ctrl+V क्या, ये जो ऊपर वाली लाइन है यहाँ पे नीचे आ गई, राइट। नाउ इफ यू वांट टू कट द लाइन, मतलब आपको यहाँ से लाइन को कट ही करना है हमेशा के लिए, समझ लीजिए कि इफ यू वांट टू कट द लाइन परमानेंटली, देन व्हाट इज द शॉर्ट की, Ctrl+X, Ctrl+X is the short key to cut this line, and using now Ctrl+X, and now I'm just pasting it again। पेस्ट के लिए क्या कमांड है, कॉमन कमांड Ctrl+V, पेस्ट के लिए कॉमन कमांड Ctrl+V। ऑलराइट, सो दिस इज हाउ you can cut and copy the text from the document। Now the next part, the clipboard. Clipboard is temporary memory space provided by Windows, which stores selected text by executed cut or copy command. When one uses paste command, stored text or from clipboard is inserted at the point of insertion immediately। clipboard क्या है कि आप बेसिकली देखिए कि जो भी आप टेक्स्ट कॉपी कर रहे हो, मूव कर रहे हो, पेस्ट कर रहे हो, तो इन सारे कॉपी पेस्ट जो आपका टेक्स्ट है, इस टेक्स्ट को वर्ड डॉक्यूमेंट के अंदर क्लिपबोर्ड में इसको सेव करके रखा जाता है फॉर द टेम्पररी टाइम, कुछ टाइम के लिए, फॉर द फ्यू स्मॉलर अमाउंट ऑफ टाइम इट गेट्स सेव्ड इन द clipboard option, and then it is the only function that you can use the copy and paste document later on। आप इसको बाद में यूज कर सकते हो clipboard के जरिए। You can see the clipboard over here, this is the clipboard option। So in the paste option you can see that there are different paste options, and then there is one more format painter option, right? So this is actually the clipboard which is used to cut and copy paste, which is used to store cut and copy text for your document। Now let's move ahead with the new feature, that is formatting of text। Formatting allows to define or do change the appearance of a document। document का appearance मतलब कि उसको अलग अलग डिज़ाइंस में बनाना, अलग अलग शेप में बनाना, या फिर अलग अलग जो है वो इसमें ब्यूटिफिकेशन करना। दैट इज़ व्हाट एक्चुअली द फॉर्मेटिंग ऑफ टेक्स्ट इज। Word provides many options for defining appearance of a document, like character formatting, paragraph formatting, or page formatting। One can choose various kinds of fonts, font size, or text type, So let's see first of all how to choose a font। Before that, let's see the formatting bar। So as you can see over here, this is the formatting bar, means on the home bar exactly, your entire home bar, home tab is a formatting tab। You can do all the formatting options from here onwards, like changing of the font style, changing of the formatting size, right, color of the highlighter color, then text color, right, another shadow options, then the alignment, numbering। There are a number of these options you can use to do the formatting of your text, right? So let's see first of all choosing a font। You can choose from hundreds of fonts from the word software, from the word processing software। For example, I want to change the font of this line। So to do that, first of all select the line which you want to change, and then go to the to the font tab, and here you can see the font name, this is the Arial font। When you click on the drop down menu, you can see that there are a number of different fonts available। So just check the font, you can preview the font। आप जो है वो आपकी चेंजेस को यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं। So just click on the desired font you see, and you can see that the font style has been changed, right? And then you can choose the font style. After choosing the font, you can choose the font style. So font style basically are of three types, that is bold font, italic font, and underline font, right? So these are the font styles. Now let's see how to change the size of the text. It is a very easy process. You can just select the text which you want to send, which you want to change, and just near the font style there is a font size. You can see that it is a 14 size of font. You can, if you increase the font size over here, it will increase. If you decrease it, the font size will decrease, right? So it is a very easy function to change the size of the font. Now the next is changing the case of text. Case, that is uppercase, lowercase. Let's see. For example, select the text and change the case of the font. Case means the the changing of letters. For example, here it is a sentence case, means the first letter of the sentence will be capitalized. Then we have the lower case, means all letters will be in the lower case, small letters. Then there will be uppercase, means all letters will be in capital letters. Then we have capitalize each word. It will make each word, each new word, in the first letter of the new word will be in the capital form. Then we have toggle case, means the first letter will be in the small size, small letter, and the remaining letters will be in the capital letters, right? So this is about changing case of the text. Next is setting underline. As I have told you earlier, you can just select the text and you can use the font style option over here, which is of underline. You can also select different types of underlines, for example dotted underlines, designed underlines, double underlines, or as per your requirement. Then setting color and spatial effects. So see, it is a very interesting part for all of you to set the different colors and different effects to your text. To do that, you just have to select the text which you want to change the color and the special effects of. Then you can just go to here to the font menu over here in the home tab, and you can see that there are different options. It is like a font color, so you can click on the arrow, drop down arrow, and you can see that different palettes are here. You can choose color from that. This will change the color of the text, and then if you can beautify, you can add the effects to the text by using this shadow effect, for example, like this one, right? Then yes, shadow effect is there, right? Then you have the highlighter over here. So basically you can choose different colors and different special effects for your text. Now let's see how to print your document. You can take the printouts of the document from the word processing software itself. So we will see first of all what is exactly the normal view of the document. डॉक्यूमेंट शुड बी प्रीव्यूड. डॉक्यूमेंट को आपको जब प्रिंट निकाल रहे हो उससे पहले आपको एक बार चेक करना पड़ता है कि डॉक्यूमेंट हमको कैसे दिखेगा, प्रिंट निकलने के बाद कैसे दिखेगा. सो देयर आर डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ लेआउट्स. वर्ड प्रोसेसिंग एप्लीकेशन, वर्ड सॉफ्टवेयर allows you to check different layouts before printing the document. So let's see first of all the layouts of the printing of the document. There are, first of all, there is normal view. So normal view, it is a present view of Word which displays a simple version of document. For example, The current page you are seeing over here is the normal view, right? Normal size and normal view of the document. All right, you can just go to the view tab over here, and you can see that there are different viewing option over here. So we will see this one by one. First of all, this is a print layout, which is a normal view. Then we have a web layout. Web layout, in this view, document is displayed as a web page. That is, document appears as the long page without any page break. यहाँ पे आपको कोई एक पेज नहीं दिख रहा है, बल्कि एक पूरा entire वेब पेज के टाइप में दिख रहा है. It is not a normal पेज. जब आप एक A4 का पेज लेते हैं, जैसे आपके बुक का, नोटबुक का पेज है, उस टाइप से अभी ये नहीं दिख रहा है. प्रिंट लेआउट में जो है वो आपको उस टाइप से दिख रहा है, जैसे कि एक पेज है. बट वेब लेआउट में it is not looking the same way, right? Then we have print layout. I have already told you about that. Okay, print layout, it is a default layout of the word processing software. You can just go to the file tab over here, and you can just click on the print over here. You can see that there is a print preview on the राइट साइड. मतलब ये राइट साइड में जो आपको यहाँ पे प्रिंट प्रीव्यू दिख रहा है, इस टाइप से आपको पेज जो है वो प्रिंट होके आने वाला है. इफ यू क्लिक ऑन दिस प्रिंट आइकॉन हियर, इट विल गिव यू द हार्ड कॉपी ऑफ योर डॉक्यूमेंट. यहाँ से आपको प्रिंट मिल सकता है, राइट? सो देयर आर डिफरेंट प्रिंटिंग ऑप्शंस ऑल्सो, जैसे कि यहाँ पे है नंबर ऑफ कॉपीज, उसके बाद है ऑल पेजेस प्रिंट करना है क्या. देन वी हैव वन साइडेड प्रिंटिंग, डबल साइडेड प्रिंटिंग, मतलब एक पेज के पीछे और एक पेज प्रिंट होगा. देन वी हैव पोर्ट्रेट ऑप्शन, मार्जिन्स. देयर आर डिफरेंट ऑप्शंस वी हैव ओवर हियर in the printing options. But before that, we will see the layouts, right? So web layout we have seen, and now let's see the print layout, and we have now the outline layout. This is the outline layout, basically, which allows you to see the document with heading. Each new line is marked with a square box. जो हर एक लाइन है, आपको यहाँ पे आपके कितने लाइंस है डॉक्यूमेंट के अंदर, ये आपको पता चलता है बेसिकली आउटलाइन व्यू में. एंड टू गेट आउटलाइन व्यू, सेलेक्ट आउटलाइन व्यू फ्रॉम द मेनू और क्लिक ऑन आउटलाइन व्यू बटन ऑन हॉरिजॉन्टल स्क्रॉल बार, राइट? सो दिस इज एन आउटलाइन व्यू. So basically these viewing options are rarely used, but the basic layout option, which is a normal layout option or print layout option, is used frequently while printing the document, right? In the view tab there are other options also. For example, there are full screen, split the window, and there are preview of the document, and there are like different viewing options over here. You can see split में आपके जो है वो दो डॉक्यूमेंट्स अलग अलग एक ही डॉक्यूमेंट को दो बार यहाँ पे स्प्लिट कर सकते हैं, राइट? मतलब कि एक पेज आपके पास 4 पेजेस है, तो एट द सेम टाइम यू कैन वर्क ऑन पेज नंबर 1, और आप जो है वो पेज नंबर 4 पे भी यहाँ पे काम कर सकते हैं. So that is actually you can use the splitting option for, right? Then we have preview of a document. जैसे मैंने आपको यहाँ पे दिखाया, फाइल पे जाके आप प्रिंट पे क्लिक करेंगे तो आपको प्रीव्यू दिखेगा डॉक्यूमेंट का, right? That is what a print document is, and I have already told about how to print the document. I hope you have understood this video, and I hope you will like the video, and I hope that you will also practice it at your home, and when you will get back to school we will practice it in the computer labs. Alright, so thank you for watching this video. Have a good day. Have a nice day. Assalamu alaikum.